Welcome back. Just down here, came up here for the weekend with my nephew. Up to the west there, up near Bundoran. But look at this area. Absolutely amazing. And people say there's no God. Absolutely amazing. But anyway, come up here to do a bit of bass fishing with my nephew for the weekend. We tried one location last night, we didn't catch. But this is day 2. And yeah, we're going to be hitting this place for a few hours to see what it's going to be like. Yeah, so now we're looking forward to hitting this place. Say hello, Jordan. Don't be shy.
Hola, amigos.
But yeah, so we just thank God today for this area, and we just pray that whether we catch or we don't catch, we give Him the glory. I'll just show you what I'm using. The rod I'm using. The rod that I'm using, it's only a new one. It's a Favert X1. Or a Favert, maybe. And it's there's the length on it. So you can't see the 2 by 13 meters, I think it is. 12 to 30 pound. 10 to 36. And you can put 12 to 30 pound line on it. So 10 to 36 gram lure. So I'm using some top waters and that, jigs and all that. Anything you really use for bass fishing, mostly top water. And you know, savage gear, seekers and stuff like that. We'll be casting, and then the reel to go along with is 250 size, but it's only an old cheap one. It's off Temu. It'll do for now. But it works well anyway. Works well together. I think this is yeah, it's a nice little rod to use. Nice soft tip on it, and I tell you, it's light as a feather. But anyway, yeah. So I'll bring it back if I catch anything. I might just bring it back anyway. But yeah, so there you go. I'll let you go for now, and I'll bring you back in a little while. Talk soon. I don't think it's, maybe it's the stoat. The size of the baby one though.
That thing could barely move if you stopped a little puppy. Could barely move.
Yeah, no. But that's the seagull, man.
Honey
Where's
bread or
the,
something.
where's the seagull gone? Look at the size of him, man.
Seagull's gone. Seagull's not around now. He's gone.
He's gone for a minute anyway. He's
Slowly
going
going
away.
up,
They're
up and
cool little York, man, isn't they?
What?
They're a cool little York. There he is
Yeah.
there, look.
I wonder where the baby's gone now. Where did he
Maybe
go?
it's gone into the rock there, so you can see there. I'd say he's in there somewhere, I'd say.
Nah, you're walking after him. Whereabouts it is. Circle around.
There they are, there, look.
Yeah. I'd say they'll probably do another circle around,
Just
maybe.
come back around?
Yeah,
The white, yeah. I seen the fish jumping here a while ago, though.
Yeah, well, they jumped out all day, but they're in.
I'd say they'll
They
circle
might,
back
they
around.
might come around the harbour again.
There's one off out there,
There's
look.
another one out there as well. Yeah, I'd say there's a few just out there, look. Yeah.
Right, there he is there.
Yeah, you're just missed. Look.
There we go.
Yeah, look, they're slowly popping
And you
out.
see
now.
the birds diving into the water like that as well, there's definitely.
Oh, we
There
say.
he is
Have
there, look.
They're all over the place.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
hang
well-
up here, Reed.
That's the fish gone.
Right.
Yeah,
Oh, just there.
Yeah.
They were right close. Oh, there's one there, right there, look.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, you see the ripples there, yeah?
Right?
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
just
Just
all
there.
over, yeah.
Oh, no.
They're stealing all the fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're rounding me fun.
Does that mean, boys, that the mackerel was coming in? Could be. We hope.
Probably more than likely, yeah. If they're in here, like you see the birds diving there as well. So if the birds are diving, there's definitely fish in.
Yeah, there's a few
I
birds.
seen a fish jumping a while ago over there, but you see the schoolie. It's small though.
Yeah, look, the birds are going in now, some of them.
There.
Yeah.
Just over there.
Very cool. Yeah, they're feeding anyways, that's the fish gone.
Yeah, so it means they're heading this direction, does it?
Yeah, definitely
That's a
coming
good
in
sign.
now.
Hopefully anyways.
Yeah,
So watch
no,
what the birds are doing, no?
they just hope that. Yeah,
Birds are doing summit dives there or something.
they're off out there now. Miles out the way now. Look them, see
Ah,
them.
they're all over the place. Yeah. Oh, the tidals slowly start coming in now. They have fish coming in now.
There.
There's a big fella out there now. Look.
And the bird keeps going in over there, so there's something over there as well.
Definitely fish over there, yeah.
I need them to come over.
It is that one that's rising a wee bit.
Is it rising?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is
Rising a wee
rising.
bit.
Yeah, it said 10 to 10 anyway. So the fish are coming in now. They're in. Mine are coming in. There's something after jumping in the water over there, man.
Yeah. It's nice to see.
Yeah, I can see the fin in the water.
Yeah, there's definitely fit there. I'd
Yeah.
say they're just, when it starts rising more, they'll start coming in here as well properly. I'm going to catch myself a dolphin now instead.
Yeah.
To come to another location here. Just thought I'd give the mackerel a bash. It's on a pair, as you can see. Went to another place earlier on called Creevy Pier. Seems to be quite good, but the tide's not in. It's out again. So. I'm going to give it a few more casts and I'm going to call it a day. This is day 2 as well. We were the nephew, we didn't get anything at all. Not even no bites, no nothing. If you're looking for bass, don't come to Bundoran anyway. Or Ballyshannon. Such an amazing place, isn't it? Probably in nighttime. Remember them dolphins earlier as well? They were cool, man. Seen a load of dolphins earlier on coming out in by Creevy Pier. They were just mad after the fish there. They were probably hitting them when we weren't. Such a wonderful place, man. This trip we were mainly targeting bass, but no, it just we went after anything really. Like it ended up that way. We caught anything. Bass, mackerel, pollock. It didn't really matter, being honest. Just a fish in general. But anyway, look, I'm going to let you go, and thanks for coming along with us, and we'll be back with another video one of days. Thanks a million, God bless.